India celebrates National Science Day on 28th February of every year to commemorate the discovery of Raman in 1928. Raman received the 1930 Nobel Prize in Physics for discovery and was the first Asian to receive the Nobel Prize in any branch of science. Sir C.V. Raman discovered that when a beam of colored light entered a liquid, a fraction of light scattered by that liquid was a different color. Raman shows that the nature of this scattered light was dependent on the type of sample present. This method became even more valuable with the advent of modern computers and lasers. Its current uses range from non-destructive identification of minerals to the early detection of life-threatening diseases.